Hello and welcome to Restless Minds. I'm your host, Daryl. In this video, we're going to learn how to install UAagents. UAagents was created by Fetch.ai. I will leave the GitHub repo and Fetch.ai's website below. UAagents is a fast and lightweight framework for creating decentralized agents. It's a library developed by Fetch.ai that allows for creating autonomous AI agents in Python. With simple and expressive decorators, you can have an agent that performs various tasks on a schedule or takes action on various events. The reason why I wanted to show you guys this is because UAagents, the code itself is very easy to understand, that we could actually break down each line in a matter of minutes, and we'll get to that in a moment. To install this, you would have to have Visual Studio Code installed onto your local OS. You have to have the command prompt running as admin to install UAagents. We'll scroll down to Quick Start, and we're going to follow these simple steps. Now, I'm not going to go too deep into installing this, since I already installed this on my local OS and is actually opened up on VS Code. In order to install this, you would have to scroll back up, click on the green button where it says code, click the drop down box, copy this code onto your clipboard, click on the start icon menu, type in CMD. Once you type in CMD, command prompt will appear, and we're going to run this as admin. Type in git clone space, right click on your mouse, and that will paste the URL, and you would press enter. Once that's installed, you would then open up VS Code. This is the welcome screen on VS Code. To find UAagents, you would have to click on open folder and find it onto your directory. We're going to open up a new terminal. We're going to go back to the GitHub repo. We're going to scroll down till we see quick start. We're going to copy the pip install UAagents. But before we do that, we have to establish a virtual environment. To establish a virtual environment in VS Code, you would click Control-Shift-P. A drop-down box will appear on the search box. You would click on Python Create Environment. And since I have Anaconda installed, you can either use Anaconda or the Python virtual environment. In this video, I already have a virtual environment installed or established, so we'll just skip that step. You would right click your mouse, and that would paste the pip install UAagents, press enter, go back to the GitHub repo, create the UAagent. We'll copy this first line of code right here, go back into VS Code, open up a new text file, paste that code. This line of code, which is lines 1 and 2, is importing two classes, the agent and context, from a module named UAagents. Agent is likely a class that represents an agent or actor in a system. A context is likely a class that represents the context in which agent operates. We'll go back to the GitHub repo, and now we're going to need to give it a task. So we'll copy this entire line of code, press enter. We'll press enter twice, paste that line of code. For lines 4 through 9, an instance of the agent class is being created with the name Atom and a seed phrase, Atom recovery phrase. The seed phrase could be used for various purposes, like initializing a random number generator or recovering the agent state. We'll go back to the GitHub repo. Now, in order to run it, you would have to type in Python space agent.py. Before we do that, we would have to save as agent.py, and that will automatically save it to your file directory. Next is paste the Python space agent.py, and then we're going to run the agent.py file. This is what you're going to see as far as the outcome of creating your first agent, and this will keep on going. To stop the code, click on Control-C. We just installed UAagents onto your local OS. Let me know if this content helps. If you like this content, please subscribe below. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your support. I'll see you in my next video.